Inside, this part. Let's go. This side, this side. Let's go. Don't forget, push it quick, eh? Repeat the same thing. I'm not want to show you the way. If you are concentrate and do the same thing that I told you to do. Or look at him. Compete with him, eh? Compete with him. See him do it. Keep on going, boy. Keep on going. Quick, you're supposed to control it close to the cone. Close to your cone. Repeat the same thing. Go. No. See what he's doing. No. Go boys. Go boys. No, you'll tell me later. What's name? Oh yeah. Push it, boys. Push it. Between the cones. Concentrate on your ball with the two cones only and then push a ball. Make sure push it between the cones. Yeah, and then take a 10. Quick 10. It's supposed to be a quick 10. Go well, Ringaya. Well done. It's doing good, that one. Concentrate. On two cones, concentrate. Go, boys. Between cones, push it. 10. What a well 10. 10. You're supposed to 10 and get inside the cone again. Quick, boy. Quick. And then take a 10 again. And then get inside the cone again. Take a 10 again. Quick, boy. And then take a 10 inside the cone. Well done. And then control. You're supposed to run with that ball, not walking with it. Run with it. Run with it inside those two cones. Boy, run with the ball inside those two cones. Make sure you push it as quick as possible. You see him doing? Yeah. Just like that, boy. Push it inside the cone. 10. Well done. You're getting there. Well done. Take a 10. Quick. And then inside the cone there. Concentrate with your speed, eh? Concentrate. And then take a 10 this side. And then get in. He's taking a lead. Take a look at him. He's taking a lead. Well, Ringaye. Ngotaba nyan. Ade bombari. Ngotaba nyan Ringaye. Zete. Aba ngena bola wako rela mini ngena ngoro bako zor basic. Aba yetambe na bango ngena bakondo. Onya to bako rubusa zimboso safari hapo. That's the baba dara zona tete zor bana wako shana pari. Let's go boys.